Good morning, children. I hope you all are fine by the grace of God. Welcome to GK class. Today we are going to learn lesson 22, inventors and inventions. Children, what is meant by inventors? A person who invented a device is inventors. For example, Kodak camera was invented by George Eastman. Computer was invented by Charles Babbage. Here, the inventors are George Eastman and Charles Babbage. What is meant by inventions? A device that has been invented is inventions. Example, AC, lift, etc. Genius men have invented many things which are useful to us. Genius means an intelligent person. Air conditioner was invented by Willis Haviland Carrier. He was born in New York in 1876. He is a chief engineer. The first modern air conditioner was invented in 1902. He invented AC to solve a production problem at a printing plant. This is the latest technology of AC. Computer was invented by Charles Babbage. The first mechanical computer is the analytical engine. He was an English mathematician born on December 26, 1791 in London. He was always curious when he received a new toy. He would ask his mother Elizabeth what was inside of it. The school library inspired love for mathematics in him. The first generation computer was a room size computer. Later it was developed into a small computer. Kodak camera was invented by George Eastman in 1888. The Kodak was a simple box camera which is loaded with a 100 exposure roll of film. He was born in New York on July 12, 1854. His father died when he was 7. George dropped out school at the age of 13 to work and help his mother. He was always careful with money, spending it only on his hobby, photography. His hobby becomes a business later. This is the latest technology of Kodak camera, which is very small in size. Ballpoint pen was invented by Laszlo Biro. A ballpoint pen is also known as a biro or ball pen. The metal commonly used is steel, brass, or tungsten. Biro wanted to make a pen that used quick drying ink, so he found ballpoint pen. Eliza Graves Otis invented lift. The Life building in New York was the first in the world to have passengers lift in 1870. He is the youngest of 6 children. He was living as a wagon driver and carpenter. Nowadays we are using this kind of lift. Stainless steel was invented by Harry Beerley. Stainless steel is otherwise called rustless steel. He was born in 1871 in a poor family who lived in one room at the back of Spital Street. He left Woodside School at the age of 12 to enter his first employment as a laborer in his father's steel works. He made his name as a metallurgist when he discovered stainless steel in 1913. Dear children, I hope you all understood the lesson. Eat healthy fruits. Every day eat one fruit and make your body healthy. Thank you, children.